Welcome to the channel and welcome to a new video. I'm James and this is my Maserati Ghibli SQ4. Tomorrow is the second anniversary of my ownership of this Italian beauty. And I'm going to tell you how it's been over the last 2 years and maybe give you some pointers on what to look for if you're thinking of buying a Maserati Ghibli yourself. Thanks for watching my video. Before we begin, I'd just like to ask you to take a moment to support my channel by liking this video, clicking the subscribe button if you haven't already, and clicking the bell so you'll be notified of future videos when they come out. I have more videos coming out. If you'd like to support my channel financially, you can go to my store, my merchandise store. There's a link in the description below. So, over the last 2 years, what has been cost of ownership? Well, I'll just go over 1 year, the last year, because it's the most expensive one. My monthly payments on the car are under $600 a month. The insurance is $1,060 a year annual premium, and I'm insured with Liberty Mutual. Liberty Mutual, sponsor me. Registration in the state of California is $400 around. And finally, we get to maintenance. I spent under $1,000 this year in maintenance on the car. That includes all the special tools I needed to buy that I didn't already have. That includes 2 oil changes, 1 battery, because the wife and I woke up early in the morning and we were going to go somewhere, wanted to take the beauty, but the beauty had other plans. She didn't want to start. So I knew what it was. I knew it was the battery because it still had the factory battery in it from when it was bought new, and they only last about 4 years. This is a 2014, so it was about time for it to go. I could have avoided that whole situation if I'd have just bought a new battery before. Okay. And included in the maintenance cost is my 4-year, 70,000 mile service that I performed on the car. There were 7 videos that I posted on each of the tasks that I performed on the car. A lot of good DIY how-tos in those videos. So, is the honeymoon over yet? Absolutely not. It's been such a thrill over the last 2 years to drive this Italian beauty. I feel so fortunate that I was able to get such a reliable Maserati Ghibli. I know Maserati and reliability are oxymorons to most people, but when I bought this, it had 53,000 miles on it, so that proved that it was loyal. That was normal daily driving mileage. And if you're looking for a Maserati Ghibli, I think that's what you should be looking for too. I'd stay away from the ones that have low mileage because they either spend a lot of time in the garage, which causes problems in its own, or they spend a lot of time in the shop. So they weren't driven that much. So I'd be looking for one with the average amount of miles on it that you would get if you did. How did I become so knowledgeable on this car? Well, as with many things that I'm passionate about, I become a student of it. I became a student of this car. Hours of online research as well as picking the brains of certified Maserati technicians gave me that. I am no certified Maserati technician by any means. I'm just a backyard mechanic with some mechanical skills. And I just studied this car inside and out. And it helps if you have a service manual as well. So there you have it. 2 years of thrills driving this car. 2 years of passion. 2 years of exclusivity. I've loved owning this car and I plan to keep it for a long time. I retire in 7 years from my permanent job, and this is going to be my retirement car. I will take care of it and it'll last. It has been reliable over the last 2 years, has never stranded me in my garage otherwise. But other than that, 2 years of happiness with this car. Thank you so much for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Please support my channel by liking this video and clicking the subscribe button if you haven't already. And click the bell if you haven't already to be notified of future videos when they come out. And I do have videos coming out soon. So now it's pedal time. I like it better the way my wife says it.